Excuse me. How can I help you? You've been standing here for quite a long time. Oh, my house is over there, but I cannot cross the road. Cars run so fast. I see. The traffic here is always terrible. Do you want me to cross the road with you? That is great. Thanks a lot. It is very kind of you. You are welcome. I like to help other people, especially the elderly and children. You are a good girl. You make me miss my grandmother. I have not seen her for years. Why? Because she lives abroad with my uncle. I think I will come home and make a video call with her right away. You should do that, girl. I am sure your grandmother will be very happy. Thank you. Can you come home alone? Of course.